Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC B18C7 indicates an open circuit in the left side blind spot information BSI radar unit indicator. This system is essential for providing visual alerts to the driver about vehicles in the blind spot. The left side BSI radar unit, located near the left mirror holder of the vehicle, utilizes signals from the BSI alert indicator circuit. When the BSI radar detects a failure in this circuit, it triggers the alert indicator to illuminate, prompting the system to store the DTC B18C7. This DTC serves as a critical indicator of underlying issues in the radar unit's output to the alert indicator, independent of other systems. Proper diagnostics is crucial for determining the root cause of the issue in order to restore functionality and enhance safety features. The B18.7 error code indicates an open circuit in the left side BSI radar unit indicator. The BSI radar unit is responsible for monitoring the area around your vehicle for vehicles that may not be visible to the driver, particularly in the blind spots. This unit communicates with the BSI alert indicator circuit located near the left mirror holder to provide alerts to the driver. If the circuit is determined to be outside the normal voltage range, the BSI radar unit identifies this as an irregularity. Consequently, it switches on the alert indicator, which can trigger the recording of DTC B18.7. The failure may be traced to any part of the related circuitry, necessitating comprehensive investigation to locate the issue. The potential causes for the DTC B18C7 include several scenarios. A wiring issue is a common culprit. Breaks or shorts in the wiring can disrupt the flow of current and cause the open circuit condition. A faulty BSI alert indicator itself may have internal malfunctions that prevent it from receiving or displaying signals correctly. Additionally, a defective left side BSI radar unit could also generate this DTC if it fails to operate as intended. Each of these causes underlines the importance of systematic troubleshooting to ensure accurate identification and resolution of the issue, ultimately restoring the function of the BSI alert mechanism. When diagnosing for DTC B18C7, specific symptoms may manifest. One prominent symptom is the illumination of the BSI alert indicator on the dashboard, signaling an issue with the blind spot monitoring system. Drivers may also notice that no alerts are provided when vehicles enter their blind spot, potentially compromising safety. Additionally, the diagnostic system will have registered the DTC B18C7 in its memory, which can be revealed through a diagnostic scanner. Recognizing these symptoms is vital to addressing the underlying issues quickly, allowing the driver to regain the full functionality of the blind spot detection system to ensure safety on the road. The first troubleshooting step for addressing DTC B18C7 entails setting the vehicle to the on mode. This process involves turning the key to the on position without starting the engine. After this, it is crucial to wait for at least 5 seconds. This waiting period allows the vehicle's systems to conduct initial self-checks and stabilize all electronic components. Moreover, waiting ensures that any temporary errors are cleared, which can help in isolating the cause of the DTC more effectively. With this initial step completed, the technician can then proceed to the next diagnostic actions confidently. The second troubleshooting step involves disconnecting the left BSI alert indicator connector, which features 2 pins. This action is necessary to ensure that the circuit is not influenced by faulty signals, allowing for an accurate assessment of the indicator itself. Following this, a jumper wire should be used to connect terminals number 1 and number 2 of the left BSI alert indicator connector. This connection simulates normal operational conditions for the alert indicator. After making these connections, the vehicle should again be set to the on mode, If DTC B18C7 changes to the alternate code B18C5, this indicates that the alert indicator is functioning properly. If it remains or changes to a different code, further investigation is warranted. The third step in troubleshooting DTC B18C7 focuses on examining the wiring associated with the BSI alert indicator and ground (GND) connections. Begin by ensuring the left BSI alert indicator connector is disconnected, as well as the left side BSI radar unit connector, which has 6 pins. The next action is to leverage specific measurement techniques to inspect the BSI L-IND wiring for any opens or shorts. A resistance check should confirm that there is less than 1 ohm of resistance, indicating that the wire is intact. It is equally important to check the GND circuit to confirm that it also presents as functional, maintaining a low resistance reading. Any abnormal readings suggest dysfunction within the wiring or connectivity, calling for repairs or replacements where necessary. In the fourth troubleshooting step, if previous checks yielded normal conditions, attention then shifts to testing the left side BSI radar unit itself. At this point, it should be determined whether the radar unit is functioning adequately. The radar unit is essential for detecting surrounding vehicles and providing warnings to the driver accurately. Performing functionality tests or using diagnostic equipment can reveal whether the radar unit is operating as intended. Should testing indicate that the left side BSI radar unit exhibits irregularities or faults, it will likely require replacement to restore the complete functionality of the BSI alert system. Ensuring that this component operates correctly is essential to maintain safety and prevent further errors. Following the repairs related to DTC B18C7, it is critical to carry out a final verification process. Begin by clearing any DTC codes from the vehicle's diagnostic system. This action erases stored error messages so that fresh data can be gathered during functional tests. After clearing the codes, perform a thorough test of the blind spot information system to ensure all components are functioning as expected. Verify that the BSI alert indicator responds appropriately to simulated blind spot conditions. Successful verification will result in the proper operation of all related systems without any stored DTCs, thus indicating that the repair has been effective and confirming that the safety features are fully operational. To prevent future occurrences of DTC B18C7 or similar issues, implementing routine preventive maintenance is essential. Regularly checking electrical connections associated with the left BSI radar unit and alert indicator can help identify potential problems before they evolve into full malfunctions. It's also crucial to inspect wiring for signs of wear or damage, such as fraying or corrosion, which can diminish performance. Additionally, ensure that the BSI alert indicator itself is periodically tested alongside other functionality checks of safety systems in the vehicle. Keeping up with these maintenance practices will promote longevity and reliability in the blind spot monitoring features, ultimately ensuring the vehicle's safety systems are always in optimal working condition. In summary, understanding and addressing DTC B18C7 is vital for maintaining the functionality of the blind spot information system in the Honda Accord 2023 and beyond. By following the outlined troubleshooting steps, technicians can effectively pinpoint the cause of the issue, whether it be related to wiring, the alert indicator, or the radar unit itself. Each step plays a crucial role in isolating the problem, ensuring that proper repairs can restore full functionality. The final verification process confirms that all systems are operational and free of faults. By maintaining an ongoing preventive maintenance schedule, vehicle owners can further minimize the risk of future problems, keeping their safety features reliable and effective. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.